Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are now at DS Automobile stand where we have a new stylish car that's on the market. So this is the new DS3 Crossback, the small SUV, or I would call it the crossover from DS, with very interesting design, sort of funky, stylish. So on the front you have this very weird and well cool, I would say cool, LED lights. Look at this illumination here. Here are the main lights. Then you have this daytime running LED in this crazy shape like a snake. Massive front grille with the DS badge. There's incorporated here. Also very nice sort of blue green color. In, you know, when you look at it one way, it looks, now on the camera it looks very blue, but on real life it also has some green elements. Let's move on to the side of the car, and now this is one part where I think the car is maybe too designed, you know, it's maybe too much. Look at this. Then you have like, I don't know, some weird feeling when you're sitting in the back, I think. One cool thing are these door handles that, you know, go like this so that you can enter the car. And as you can see, we have one color for the roof and then additional color for the rest of the car. And at the back, as you see now, we have the horizontal LEDs. They're connected with this chrome part here where it says Crossback, also DS logo, and then another light here. Interesting thing is that there are real exhaust tips here. Always nice to see it on modern day car. And we will take a look also at the interior in the moment. Okay, so let's step inside of the car, which is also very modern and very unusual. Let me close the door. You'll immediately see that the air vent here is connected to the door. Then you have the digital dashboard in front of me with this cool design. New steering wheel with classic, you know, buttons for stereo system and so on. And here we have a big screen where you have all the information that you need. And I love this part here. So you have the diamond shape of all the buttons here. So for example, music, the AC, or you know, things like that. But it's interesting that it's actually on touch, so you don't have to press it, you just touch it and that's responding only. This is the actual button. Now this screen of course is the touch screen, and you have all the menus that you want here. One detail also is very cool here, so look at this. These are also the buttons. You have a handbrake here. You can choose between different driving modes. As you can see, you have sport, normal, eco mode, and also the manual where you would shift with these pedals here. Wireless charging for your phone is here. You have this illuminated start engine button where you start the car. That's very cool. Then sound system is controlled here, and also here I think you can turn on and off the radio. Additional lights are here, but look how nice this is. And also you don't have to touch it, don't have to press it, you just touch it and it goes on. Okay, that's very cool. Well, what else? Oh yeah, we have this futuristic gear shifter that we have from Peugeot 3008. And also it is in the new C5 Aircross and the DS7 Crossback. So it looks nice, that's why they use it in all of their, you know, premium models. Well, I think this car definitely looks cool. And if you want to stand out, well, here is what you buy. Tell me in the comments what you think about the design of this thing. So there are various petrol and diesel engines available for this car, but there's also fully electric version, and customers can really, you know, choose between a lot of the options. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more car reviews, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.